Check your dashboard, you'll see those amounts reflected. Your progress bars move, and your goal completion percentage increases. Just below that, we have your overall progress bar. It shows the percentage of your total goal saved, in this case, 49%, and it updates in real time. And here's a motivational quote I've added to keep you inspired. Next, we have two powerful charts. Monthly contribution chart. See how your savings grow month by month across all funds. Daily contribution chart. Track your individual deposits on a daily level. This helps you understand your saving habits and make adjustments if needed. On the right side, you'll find a summary table listing all your sinking funds with 3 key metrics. It's fully automated, no need to enter these values manually. Just log your data in the contribution log, and this summary updates instantly. Now here's where the magic happens. The individual sinking fund cards. Each fund has its own donut chart, goal tracking, and summary. Average monthly contribution overdue warning if you're falling behind on your savings goal.